Today we are going to discuss how to find about square root form. Square root form. See here, there is a digits from 1 to 9 now. So 1 to 9. Let us check about the squares of the digits from 1 to 9. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. But here in this passage we need the unit place only. That means 6 we need. Similarly, 6 square 36, but we have to consider 6 square means 6. We need only the unit place, not 36, 3. No need to 3. Here 7 square 49, that means we need the last digit, that is a 9. 8 square 64, that means we need the value of the unit place is a 4. 9 square 81, but we have to consider the unit place is a 1. See here, there is some conclusion. For 1 and 9, the corresponding is 1. So 1 square 1, 9 square 1. So for 1 and 9, the corresponding value is 1. Similarly, 2 square 4, 8 square also 4. That means the corresponding value both 2 and 8 is 4. At the same time, 3 square 9 and 7 square also 9. So both 3 and 7, the corresponding value is 9 here. 4 square 6, 6 square 6. That means 4 and 6, both the corresponding value is 6. Let us see here. Suppose if there is a square root form, there is a value in this square root. However, the digits, either it is 3 digits or 4 digits, maybe 5 digits. First of all, we have to consider about the unit place. Suppose in the unit place there is a 1. Suppose whatever the value, the remaining digits we don't need to consider. Just we have to consider about the unit place only. In this unit place, if there is a 1, the answer must be in the unit place. 1 square 1 and 9 square 1 means the answer must be in this after square root finding 1 or 9. So if the unit place is 1 in the root form, the unit place, the answer must be either 1 or 9 because 1 square 1, 9 square 1, the answer must be either 1 or 9. Suppose here in this square root form unit place only, we are discussing only the unit place. Suppose here it is a 4. So the coming answer should be the unit place 2 square 4, 8 square 4 means the answer must be in the unit place either 2 or 8. Suppose at the same time in this root form the unit place is 9. See here 3 square 9, 7 square 9. The answer must be either 3 or 7. Same time consider about here. The unit place is a 6 in this root form. The answer must be 4 square 6, 6 square also 6. The answer must be either 4 or 6. Here, how to find about the square root form? Square root of 4 into 4. How to find about the square root form? Here the last digit is a 4. 2 square 4, 8 square 4. So maybe chances in this answer in the unit place are either 2 or 8. So in this finding about the square root form, the tens place we should not consider however the digit is. Whatever the digit in this tens place, we need not consider. Remaining the value is 4. Now, which same number if you multiply 2 times, that is nearly to 8, 4 means 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4. So this 4, which is same number if you multiply 2 times, that is nearly to 4. That means 2 2s. So we have to consider 2. Now this square root of 484 means 22 square, either 22 square or 28 square. How to find about 22 or 28? See. So the following number of 2 is a 3. 2 3 is a 6. Now this 4 we should check with the 6. Now this 4 we have to compare with the 6. If the 4 is less than this number, this value in this root form, however the digit, this is a less than this, we have to take a less value. If this value is more than this value, that means here we have to take a more value. See, 4 here 6. This 4 is less than 6, so we should take a less value. That means either 2 or 4, 2 or 8 means less value is 2. So this value 22 square. Similarly, here root of 576 is a. So the last digit is a 6. See here, 4 square 6, 6 square 6 means the answer must be in unit place, so either 4 or 6. In the tens place, however the digit we should not consider, the remaining values of 5, which is same number if you multiply by 2 times, that is nearer to 5 means 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4. Suppose if you take a 3, 3 is a 9, it exceeds more than 5, so we should not take that. We have to take a near number which is to 5, same number. So 2 2s are 4 means we have to take 2. Now root of 576 means either 24 square or 26 square. Now we have to check out. So this given number is 2 here. The following number, 2 following number is 3. 2 3s are 6. Now we have to check the remaining values of 5 here. This 5 we should check compare with the 6. If this value is less than this value, we should take the less value. That is what we have taken. If this value is more than the 6 here, we should take the more value. Let's see. 5. 5 is here is a 5, here is a 6. This 5 is less than 6. So we should take the less value. That means 4. That means this value is 2 4. That means 24 square. Similarly here, root of 961. The last unit digit first of all we have considered is a 1. So 1 square 1 or 9 square 1 means the answer must be in unit place either a 1 square or a 9 square, 1 or 9. So tens place we need not consider, leave it that. The remaining value is 9. So which is same number if you multiply 2 times, so that is near to 9 means 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Suppose if you take a 4 4 16, it exceeds more than 9, so we should not take that. 3 3s are same numbers. So we have to take a 3. 3 3s are 9 means so we should take a 3. So square root of 961 means the answer must be either 31 square or 39 square. Now we have to check whether it is 31 square or 39 square. The following number of 3 means 4. So 3 4s are 12. Now we have to compare the 9 with the 12. If whatever the value here, this value only. If this value is less than this value, we should take the less value. That means 1. If this value is more than this value, we should take the more number. That means 9. Let us see. Here 9. Here the value is 9. Here the value is 12. This 9 is here 12. This 9 is less than the 12. So we should take less value here. That means 1. So the answer must be 3 1. So that means 31 square. Let us do another example. Here the root of square root of 729. The last is the unit place is a 9. So 3 square 9 is 7 square 9 means we'll get to 3 square or 3 or 7. 3 square 9, 7 square 9 means 3 square 9 square 3 or 7. The last is our answer. So we should not consider about the tens place, however the digit, the remaining value is here 7. So which is same number if you multiply 2 times, that is near to 7 means 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9 means it exceeds more than 7. So we have considered 2. So square root of 729 means 2 options here, either 23 square or 27 square. Let us see, check it out. The 2 following number is a 3, 2 3s are 6. Now, in this root value is a 7 here. This is 7, we should compare with this value. So 7 is more than 6. 7, this 7 is more than the 6. So we should take the more value. More value means 7. So here this answer is 27. So 27 square. Find some more examples for the square root. How to find out if it is 4 digits. The process is one and same. However, the digits here in this square root, whether it is 3 digits or maybe 4 digits or 5 digits. Let us see. Here the square root of 1024. How to find about the root form, square root form. So first of all, that they have to consider about the unit place. Here the 4. The unit place is a 4. 2 square 4, 8 square 4. That means the answer must be in this unit place either 2 or 8. So here however the digits either 4 or 5, just only we have to neglect about the tens place digits only. Suppose if there is a 5 digits or 6 digits, how many digits we have to left? That means however the digits either 4, 3, 5 in respect of whatever the digits, we should never consider about only the tens place. Remaining all the digits we have to consider. So here we left about the tens place digit. The remaining value is 10. Now which is same number, if you multiply by 2 times, so that is nearly to 10 means 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 is nearly to 10. If you take a 4 4s are 16, it exceeds more than the 10. We should not consider that. Which number is nearer to 10? That means 3. 3 3s are 9. So we should take a 3 here. Here, square root of 1024 means root form is either 32 square or 38 square. Now we have to check the 32 or 38 square. So here 3. 3 following numbers are 4. 3 4s are 12. Now in this root form here, which consists of 10. This 10 we should compare with this value. If this value is less than this, we should take the rest. That means we have to take 2 this time. If this value is more than 12, we should take a more value. See, this here 10, this value is 12. This 10 is less than, here this is less than 12. So we should take the less value, that means 2. So the square root of 102 means 32. 32 square. Let us see. 1089 to find the square root form. Here the unit is 9 now. 3 square 9, 7 square 9. So the last this must be either 3 or 7. Need not consider about the 10th place digit, however it is. Remaining value is 10. Same here 10 also. Which is same number if you multiply by 2 times means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Same number. 2 5s are 10. Also somebody thinks but it's absolutely wrong. 2 5s are 10 means that is 2 different numbers. So if you multiply the same numbers, 1 1s are 2, 2s are 3, 3s are 4, 4s like that. So here 3 3s are 9 means that is nearer to 10. So square root of 1089 means either 33 square or 37 square. We have to check. Here the number is 3, this foreign number is 4, 3 4s means 12. Now we have to compare this 10 with 12. So 10 is less, this 10 is less than the 12. So we should take here less number, that means a lower number, that is 3. So 3 3. So this is 33 square. Second, another example here, square root of 2601. The last unit digit is 1 here. 1 square 1, 9 square 1 means the answer must be in this unit digit either 1 or 9. The 10th digit which we need not consider. Remaining value is 26. Which is same number if you multiply 2 times, that is nearer to 26 means 2 is 4, 3 3 is 4, 9, 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25. So 5 5s are 25 is nearer to 26. So we should consider 5. So the square root of 2601 is either 51 square or 59 square. We have to check. The 5 following number is 6. 5 6. We should multiply this following number. 5 6 is 30. Now we have to check this 26 with the 30. This 26 is less than the 30. So we should take in this less value, that means 1. So the answer is 5 1. So 51 square. Take another example. Square root of 1296 is the last digit is 6 here, unit base. So 4 square 6 6 square 6. So answer is in this unit base either 4 or 6. So 10th place need not consider. Remaining value is 12. Which is same number if you multiply 2 times, that is nearer to 12 means 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. So it exceeds more than 12. So we have to consider 3 3s are 9. So square root of 1296 is either 34 square or 36 square. Now if we want to check 3 following numbers are 4, 3 4s are 12. Now 12 equal to, if the same number also comes here, 12. Here now there is a small doubt. The aspirants will think about if the same value comes. Suppose here the less value is here it comes the less value compared than this, so we should take less. If the higher value, here this is a higher value than this, so we should take a higher value. But here same value comes here. Here also 12, here also. Whether if you want to take a 4 or 6 means whenever these two values becomes equal, then we should take a higher value only, not a lower value. Whenever in this root value, this value becomes equal, we should take a higher value only. We should not take the lower value. So the answer is 36 square. How to find some more examples to find about the square root even if it is a 5 digits form. However, the process is the same. We can find the same process. Now let us see. Here the unit trace is in the square root form 6. So 4 square 6, 6 square 6 means the last, the answer, the unit trace is 4 or 6. So tens place digit we should not consider. The remaining value is 108. The remaining value is 108. So now which is same number if you multiply by 2 times, that is made it to 108 means 10 times 100. 11 times are 120. It exceeds more than 108. So we should consider 10 times of 100. That means we have to put the 10. So square root of 10816 means either 104 square or 106 square. Let us check. The 10 following number is 11. So 10 11s are 110 here. Now we have to compare this 108 in this root value in compared to this number. This 108 is less than this 110. So we have to take the less value, that means a 4. So here 104 is the answer. This value is a 104 square. Similarly, unit place is a 1. 1 square 1 and 9 square 1. So the answer must be in this unit place of either 1 or 9. So in this tens place, we need not consider the remaining value is 118. So which is the number if you multiply by 2 times, that is merely to 118 means 10 square, 10 into 10 100. 11 11 is 121. It exceeds more than 118. So we should not take 11. 10 times 100 means we have to take 10. So the square root of 11881 means either 1 square or 109 square. Let us go to check. So the following number of 10 is 11. So we should multiply this with the following number. 10 11s are 110. Now this 118 we have to check compare with 110. This 118 is more than the 110. So we should take here part of is 2 values more value. This value is more, we should take the more value. This value is less, we should take less value. So 118 is more than 110. So we should take more value means 9. So this answer is so 109 square. Next, square root of 11449. So first of all, we have to check about the unit place. 9. 3 square 9, 7 square 9. The answer must be 3 or 7. 3 square 9, 7 square 9. So leave it about the tens place. The remaining value is 114. Which is similar if you multiply by 2 tens means 10 tens or 100. So we should take 10. The square root of 11449 means either 103 square or 107 square. Let us see. The 10 following number is 11. 10 11s are 110. So this 114, we have to compare this 114 with 110. If this value 114 is more than 110, so we should take more value, that means 7. So this answer is more value means 7. So 107. So this value is 107 square.
Thanks for watching, and please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to our channel. Land to your dream job through VENKI'S Academy.